Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Realme has recently launched the Realme Buds Air 3 true wireless earphones, and today in this video we're going to do the unboxing and we'll show you how they perform. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the model name and the picture of the earphones, and here at the back we have the key features. So you get the 42 dB ANC, 10mm dynamic boost driver, 30 hours of battery backup, dual device connection, customized audio tuning, and you get the 88 milliseconds super low latency. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 5,999. However, they are launching today for just Rs 3,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the charging case itself, and we have the earbuds inside. So guys, here we have the starry blue variant, and apart from that, these earphones are available in the Galaxy White variant. We will look at the charging case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we have the documentations, and here we have the details about the ANC and the dual device connection. And then we get the user guide, which has the info about the features of these earphones. And then we get the Type-C charging cable, and here we get the 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Realme Buds Air 3 are the latest ANC true wireless earphones from Realme. Looking at the design and build quality, the charging case design looks very good, and you get the premium look and finish. The build quality of this case also feels good, and keeping in mind its pricing, the charging case does look very good. And also, the size of the case is perfect. It's not too big, and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. In terms of the overview, so in the front we have the LED light, and on the top we have the Realme branding. And here at the bottom we have the Type-C charging port. At the right side of the case, we have the pairing button. Talking about the door, you can easily open the door of this case with one hand, and the door quality feels pretty good. And to be honest, I feel that the quality of the hinge and the door is the best in this segment. Now in terms of the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds in the Realme Buds Air 3. In these earphones, you get the smaller stem design. They are also lightweight, and I find the build quality also very good. And guys, these earbuds are also IPX5 water and sweat resistant. Talking about the technical details, so you get the Bluetooth 5.2 support, 10mm dynamic driver, and in one single charge, you will get approximately 5 hours of playback time. And with the case, you get up to 30 hours of battery backup. So overall in terms of design and build quality, we find the Realme Buds Air 3 very good. Now, let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So for pairing, you need to install the app Realme Link, and once you sign in and select the Realme Buds Air 3, the app will ask you to long press the pairing button, and then you will see this splash screen. And now just tap on the connect button, and that's it, they are paired with our phone. And talking about the codec, here we can see we get the AAC HD codec support in these earbuds. Now let me show you the app features. So in the app on the top, we can see the earbuds and the charging case battery status. And then we have the noise control, and here we have the noise cancellation, normal, and the transparency mode. You can also select the mode switching from here and select which modes you want to switch in between. After that we have the wind noise reduction, which is an advanced D-Wind technology, and due to that you will get better ANC performance. Then we have the sound effects. Here you can choose between the bass boost plus, balanced, and the bright sound profile. You can also do a customized audio tuning, which will adjust the profile as per your hearing. Then in the app we have the volume enhancer, which increases the volume, and then we have the Dolby Atmos, and this is available on the supported devices. And here you can select the environment specific or scenario specific profile for the audio output. After that in the app we have the game mode, which you can turn on from here. And then we have other settings such as dual device connection, earbud fit test, which will let you know about the fits of the earbuds. And then we have the in-ear detection, which will pause the video or music when you take the earbuds out of your ear. And guys, then finally in the app we have the button settings, and here we have the default touch options. You can also customize them as per your choice, but unfortunately we don't have the volume control support in these earbuds. So that's all the features we have in the app, and as you can see, we get a lot of customization options in these earphones. Now let's talk about the main thing, and that is the performance. So starting with the audio performance, so guys, the first thing we noticed that how comfortable these earbuds are, and because they are lightweight, we were able to use them for long hours. In terms of the audio output, they are loud, yet you will not feel any distortions in the sound. The bass is very good, and if you prefer more bass, then you can turn on the Bass Boost Plus profile. But the default sound output is very good and the instrument separation is also perfect. The vocals are also very clear, and to be honest, I find the output one of the best in this price segment. And the options like audio tuning and the profiles are also an advantage. In terms of the ANC performance, the noise cancellation performance in these earbuds is also very good, and they can easily cancel the background noises such as fan, AC, etc. And the transparency mode also performs very well. And guys, I can say that the ANC performance of these earbuds is very close to the performance of the Apple AirPods. There are also other features in these earbuds such as dual device connection, and with this you can connect the earbuds with two devices at the same time and they will switch the audio automatically. And here you can see it pauses the music on the phone to play the audio from the iPad. The in-ear detection also works perfectly and it pauses the music when you take the earbuds out of the ear. Now talking about the gaming performance, company claims that you will get 88 millisecond low latency in the gaming mode. But during our testing, we found the latency in the normal mode is around 350 milliseconds and in the gaming mode, it's around 150 milliseconds. Now talking about the mic performance, in these earbuds, you get the dual AI mic noise cancellation, and during our testing, we found the mic performance decent for both voice and video calls. And now lastly about the battery, so with the noise cancellation on, you can easily get around 4 to 5 hours of battery backup in one single charge, and with the case, you can charge them 4 to 5 times more, giving you approximately 20 hours of battery backup, which is not that bad. So overall the Realme Buds Air 3 offers a good design true wireless earphones, and performance wise, we think that they are one of the best in this segment. The sound output is very good and the app support is definitely an advantage. The ANC performance is for sure one of the best I have tested so far in a true wireless earphones, which is priced under Rs 4000. The mic performance and the battery backup is also very good. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a good pair of true wireless earphones around 4000 rupees price mark, then we highly recommend you to check out the Realme Buds Air 3. And as usual, if you like these earphones and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Realme Buds Air 3 true wireless earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.